Ooh.
There's some toy butterflies.
Really?
Yeah, I love butterflies. Look right here. Butterflies, the dogs. The Brady butterfly.
Wow.
Snake one.
Yes.
The snake one is much easier. Look at these.
Wow, those are binoculars.
See, look here. This.
Ooh.
So stuck inside. Oh, it's a net.
Wow.
It's a net.
So you can catch all the bugs and critters. Ooh, what's that? What's that in your hand?
It's a hat.
Wow.
Hat. It's a dundle hat.
It is?
Yeah. It's dundle hat. Because it's on here and eating on a dundle.
Ooh, the jungle.